Namaskar. I welcome you all, and again we are going to start our lesson, that is French Revolution. And up to here we have discussed about the causes of Russian Revolution, February Russian Revolution. So very first, it is clear to you that Russian Revolution, once it was occurred in 1905 and the second is in 1970, and the 1917 revolution having two parts. These two parts are in February and in October. So first of all we are discussing about February Revolution. February Revolution की हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. February Revolution के causes हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. So now the after starting of the revolution, what events took place, what condition prevailed in the Russia और स्पेशली द कैपिटल ऑफ रशिया पेट्रोग्राद, तो किस तरह की कंडीशन हुई तो हम उसको डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं. तो हेयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू आई रिटन सम पॉइंट्स, दैट इज दैट Duma earlier having fear that Tsar would plan to dismiss them, Tsar would plan to expel them, Tsar planning कर रहा है उनको हटाने की. And in that fear they were not supporting the workers. इस fear में कि workers को भी support नहीं कर रहे थे कि अगर हमने workers को support किया तो Tsar will get a excuse and he will dismiss us. And the strike of workers were continued without any political participation or political support. So, but what happened on 25th February, Tsar ने Duma को dismiss कर दिया. What happened? That Duma was suspended on 25th. Duma 25th को suspend कर दी गई. Tsar ने Duma को खत्म कर दिया. As Duma was suspended, the political leaders, they got agitated and they automatically get angry because they were not expecting that from Tsar at that time of First World War. But Tsar did so. So what happened? They came for the protest, and as they came into the protest and they joined, they ransacked the police stations and attack over the government buildings, as it is written here. That police headquarters were ransacked. Police headquarters को जो है वो आक्रमण किया गया, उनके ऊपर जो है वो असंतोष के कारण उनको तोड़ा फोड़ा गया. तो पुलिस हेडक्वार्टर्स, गवर्नमेंट बिल्डिंग्स that were ransacked on 26, 27. Government called the cavalry at earlier. गवर्नमेंट ने cavalry अपने पुलिस पहले ही बुलाई हुई थी. And then the situation, as the king saw that the situation was getting out of control, situation out of control होती जा रही है, तो क्या किया जाए? He ordered the army to attack. He ordered his troops to attack or to punish the demonstrators. But the soldiers, they denied to do so. They were not agree with this proposal. They denied that. उन्होंने साफ मना कर दिया कि हम डेमोन्स्ट्रेटर पर आक्रमण नहीं करेंगे, उनको पकड़ेंगे नहीं, मारेंगे नहीं, पीटेंगे नहीं. As they denied for that, after that what happened? When they denied, by the evening the soldiers and the workers, soldiers और workers ने मिलकर एक काउंसिल बना ली. अपनी इवनिंग शाम तक 26-27 की शाम तक वर्कर्स और सोल्जर्स ने अपनी एक जो है सोवियत बना ली. सोवियत, here is the word, that is Soviet, very famous word it is. सोवियत बना ली. सोवियत, what is Soviet? It is very important to know. Soviet is a council, was a council of the soldier and the workers. Strike, the worker, those who are on strike na, the workers on strike and the soldiers, they formed a common council, a common group that was known as Soviet. जिसे सोवियत कहा जाता था. तो इस तरीके से ये सब हो रहा था. और अब पेट्रोग्राद की में ऐसी एक सोवियत बनी और उस सोवियत के डेलीगेशन ने, उस सोवियत के एक दल ने क्या किया? They moved to the Tsar. They went to meet the Tsar. And what they suggest? They suggest Tsar to ascend the throne. उन्होंने जार को थ्रोन से उतरने के लिए, अपना सिंहासन, अपनी राजगद्दी त्यागने के लिए बोला। एंड द जार एग्रीड ऑन इट बिकॉज ही नो द सीरियसनेस ऑफ द कंडीशन। तो उसे पता था, सो ही ऑटोमेटिकली इन दिस वे 2 मार्च जार एब्डिकेटेड। जार ने राजगद्दी 2 मार्च को त्याग दी और एक सोल्जर्स और जो है वर्कर्स को मिला करके एक प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट बनाई गई। शासन अब वैकल्पिक सरकार, एक टेम्परेरी गवर्नमेंट के हाथों में चला गया। सो दिस वाज द इवेंट्स ऑफ फरवरी रेवोल्यूशन। कारण क्या थे फरवरी रेवोल्यूशन के, वो हमने पढ़े थे कि भूखमरी आ गई थी, किसान वर्कर्स जो हैं दे वर सफरिंग फ्रॉम द फूड शॉर्टेज एंड डिसमिसल ऑफ द 4 वर्कर्स फ्रॉम द पेटी लॉ वर्कर पार्टी that become the major reason of the demonstration. And as the workers started the demonstration, Duma also having fear of it that the Tsar will suspended them, and that happened. So in this way, these were the reason of every revolution. And now the events after, when the Tsar suspended the Duma on 25th, at that time the political leaders, they joined the strikes. And when they joined the strike, it became complicated and very serious, and the situation remained out of control of the Tsar, and Tsar abdicated from his throne on 2nd March. So these were the events of Russian Revolution, February Russian Revolution. I hope you understood up to here. Thank you.